Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making Thai coconut curry sardine. You all are going to love this one. This is a delicious and easy recipe to put together. And to make this we're using the new Brunswick sardine fillets. These Brunswick sardine fillets are cleaned and you can use it straight out of the can. We're going to start in our skillet with oil. To that oil, we're going to go in with onions and pimento peppers and saute for 1 minute. Once the onions start to turn tender and slightly brown in color, we're adding in our garlic. We're just going to allow the garlic to soften, but you don't want it to brown. So once the garlic is soft, our next step is adding in the green curry paste. Now this is the one that I'm using. If you cannot find this, feel free to use whatever you can find, and you can also use the red curry paste. So I'm just going to break that up, mix it and warm it through. Now I'm adding in some water. We're going to create a sauce. It's going to cook that curry further. So just give that a mix and break up any lumps. Feel free to add some more water and give it a mix. Now we're going to add in our coconut milk powder, or you can use coconut milk. I prefer the powder here, and we're going to give that a mix. Now as you're mixing, if it starts to thicken up too fast, you would add some more water or some more coconut milk, because you want this to be a little saucy because you'll serve it over rice. So I'm just adding in a little water, mixing that in, and now we're going to add in our sardines. These sardines, you open your can and you empty it directly into your pot. It comes cleaned, so you don't have to clean it. It takes the hassle out. So if you're a working mom, it's really easy to make sardines any which way you like. So break that apart and mix it into the curry and let it warm through for about 1 minute. You can squeeze some lemon or lime juice over this. And I'm finishing with some chopped scallions or saif and some chopped bandania. And now it's ready to be served. I'm serving this over hot jasmine rice. That's how my family loves it. Now you guys can add more veggies to this recipe if you wanted to. Personalize it and make it your own. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. If you make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Make sure to pick up your Brunswick sardine fillets in your leading supermarkets throughout Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you all again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!